Good morning, everybody. It's Jenn in Kanata, and today is Saturday, the 25th, and my family's still sleeping, so I didn't get up. I stayed in bed for a bit. Now I'm peckish, so I'm just grabbing something to eat. I made myself a piece of toast, and I heated up a piece of the fried chicken that I made a couple nights ago. Why? Because it's there. I don't want to waste it. I'm hungry. It's protein. And in a while, in a couple of hours, my family will all get up and want to eat something else. So, don't want to really be full, but something to fill my belly. Hello, everybody. It's Saturday, and what does that mean where I live? Another snowstorm. Well, today it's supposed to be freezing rain, which it is. Right, these are ice pellets. They're pelting me. You could hear the sounds of it pelting on the ground. But it's starting to be supposed to have freezing rain in effect and snow. Last Saturday we had the big, huge snowstorm. So this Saturday we're having freezing rain. So, ouch, they're pelting me. You can see. But I'll show you around so you can see. I'll try to catch some. My hands are still warm, but it's little pellets of ice that's coming down. Here, maybe you can see it there, but it just all of a sudden started to go heavy like this. So unsure if we're going out today. We might stay in. Depends on how it is later. Hey everybody, I'm back. I'm having a mango, and husband wanted English muffin with some garlic cream cheese and mock chicken. It's kind of like bologna. And then Rowan made an English muffin, and she grabbed the strawberries. I think she brought them back, hopefully. I didn't want her to eat all the strawberries. And she didn't bring them back to this fridge. So they're probably in the fridge downstairs. And Abby's still not feeling up to eating much, so I'm making her a hot chocolate. So we're kind of like, it's a simple Saturday. Kind of pick and choose and stuff. Nobody's kind of really in the mood to eat. It's kind of gray out. It's freezing rain, and that's about it. So tonight, with the freezing rain and the snow, we did not go out. So we ordered Chinese food in from Lucky Dragon Delight. This is what we're having. Egg roll, Cantonese noodles, a flat noodle, some shrimp, dish, sweet and sour pork, crispy beef, lots of vegetables. So with supper tonight, we had lots of leftover of the Chinese stuff, so we'll have that tomorrow. So even though it is low spend month and stuff, we have our entertainment budget, which we allot about, I think, $150, $200 a month. I'm not sure. That's kind of Jeff's budget that he's in charge of. So we have that aside, completely different. We use that for ordering in or going out for dinner, going to the movies, going to a museum, or whatever we want to do. Like in February, we might go down to the canal for a winterlude, that type of stuff. It's a completely separate budget. So we used part of that for ordering in because the weather was crappy out. Nobody was feeling well. Everyone was kind of exhausted. And, it was just easier to order in than for me to cook something up, even though I still had lots of food. But when we do order stuff, we always order a lot of things because then that way it's over a certain amount, and we get free stuff. Like usually there's a free fried rice or whatever, and plus free delivery. And then that way we don't have to cook another meal. Also, with that supper, we also had soup. So we had some hot and sour soup from the restaurant. I forgot to mention that. So we have still lots for tomorrow. And that is what we ate today. Thanks for watching. Bye, friends.